Welcome to this 15-minute Pilates class focused all on the lower body. We're going to get started standing and then take it down to the mat. We're going to use gliders as an option. If you don't have gliders, grab paper plates, wear a pair of socks, or you can even do a stepping motion instead of using the gliders. Pilates is all about making it work for you. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin with a gentle warm-up. Take the feet wide, hands on pelvis. Inhale, exhale, and as you keep breathing, bend the knees and straight. So the class, we're not going to go too fast. I want you to really savor your range of motion, maybe sinking deeper through with the exercises. Right now, really focus on equal weight along the feet. Spine just going right down and right back up. In a moment, we'll change this. Now keep your legs straight. Take your feet to parallel. Pivot your pelvis and spine forward and come up. Imagine squeezing in and up with your legs as you pivot forward and up. We'll come back to this when we have the gliders, but it's nice to do this in a little bit more stable of a position first. Let's do 2 more times. And next time you come vertical. Stay vertical with your spine. Bring your feet in towards one another parallel. Let's do heel lift and down, heels up and down. The hands can be on the pelvis, arms by your side. Take your arms wherever helps you find the most balance, feels most comfortable right now. Remember, focus is lower body. Getting that high heel lift before you descend down. Let's do 2 more times. 2. Keep the heels down, and now bend the knees and straight. We're still vertical with the spine for right now. We'll change that in just a little bit. So it's okay if you maybe feel a little stretch in the legs, the lower legs as you bend and straight. 2 more times. And now when you bend the knees, let your pelvis come back and up. Pelvis reaches back and up. And the upper body angles forward only because the pelvis is going back. Sink your weight into your legs. So feel legs going down, they push you back to straight. 2. Now we'll stay back. Reach one leg back behind you in that stepping motion. So we're in a short lunge. Push off the back leg, come parallel to floor with back leg and spine. Find your balance. Keep breathing. Reach back leg back behind you. Step in, switch sides. Opposite leg steps back. Take a breath here. You can stay here or push. Find your balance. Continue breathing. Back leg reaches behind you. Step in and up. If you have a glider, grab your glider. 1 foot on the glider. We do longer reach back, bend front thigh, pull in. So range of motion, down, 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 and then pull up. Breathing in, breathing out. Strong straight back leg, even though front leg is really feeling the work. I'm going to add on this next time. So next time you go back, let's stay here. Pause or find that push. Find the disc again. Bring yourself up. Let's repeat that. Back, push, foot goes back and down and up. So a little bit of coordination. Lift, foot finds the glider and up. If it's not perfect, that's perfect. Let's do 2 more times this side. And 1 last time. Very nice. Switch sides. So we get a start. Just slide back and in. You can always stay with these slides if you want and not do that pivot lift. Just a few more here before we add on. Now let's stay back, pause here, or a pivot lift, finding balance, replace, bring yourself in. Reach, pause, or pivot lift, replace, and in. Tricky for your body, working accuracy of movement. Lower body focus. Can you relax in the upper body a little bit more? Two more times. One last time. Very nice. Now, both feet go on the gliders. Hands can stay pelvis or take them where they're most comfortable. Press one leg out, pull up, press out, pull up. Breathing in and out. The further away you go, the more work for inner thighs. We're going to stay out. Imagine pulling in and up as we pivot forward and up. So back to that pivot motion. Keep breathing deeply. Still have the other leg to glide. We'll stay up this next time. Opposite leg pulls in, press out, pull up and out. If it's feeling easy, can you go a little further? Even if maybe it's harder, you have to fight for it a little bit to come back in. Now we'll stay out this next time and go back into your pivot. And up. Keep breathing. Keep drawing in and up with inner thighs. After this, we have one more exercise standing, then we'll take it down to the mat. Two more times. Two. And one last time. One. Very nice. Pull in. Now, pushing leg is going to stay straight. Opposite leg goes back to bend and pull up. So not so much inner thigh focus. Supporting leg back to working that thigh. Now you push out, you stay out, the lift and up. Push, lift. So a little balance check there. The leg will not lift very high, and that's okay. Two more times. And one last time. Very nice. Switch sides. So descend and up. Deep breathing. Don't go for speed. Go for a deeper range of motion. Our pattern is almost coming up. So next time the leg goes out, keep it there. Lift and pull back in. Lift, pull back in. Just a few more times through. And one last time. Very nice. Take your discs off to the side just for a moment so we can come down to your mat. We'll begin by laying onto the back of your body on your mat, heels on the gliders, arms heavy, and just lift your hips up and down. Just get comfortable with the hips going up and down, pelvis high. Now keep hips up, push one leg away and in. Same leg. Just 2 more times. Switch sides, hips stay high. Opposite leg glides. Both heels stay in, lower down. The hips go up once again, one leg out, opposite leg out. Both pull in. 1 to 1, pull in. So right, left, in. Left, right, in. Alternate leading legs. 2, 1 more time each side. And take your spine back down. Inhale, pause. Exhale, come right back up. Now, both legs press out and in. Both legs out and in. Trying to keep pelvis high. Almost there. 2, 1 last time. Very nice, lowering down. Now let's come onto hands and onto knees on the mat. Toes of the feet on the gliders. One leg goes back and in. Opposite leg back. Easy peasy, right? I'm going to take that up in just a little bit, the intensity. Pause. Hover both knees. One leg back and in. Same leg back and in. Deep breathing. Just 5 more this leg. Stay in, switch sides, opposite leg. So lower body focus class, getting into the upper body just a little bit. One last time. Both knees down, walk your hands forward a step. Press pelvis back and forward. We're on the home stretch. Back and forward. Now stay pressing back. Knees come up, go forward, press back. So we're not going to go all the way into plank, keeping this more in the legs. Yes, abs and arms are working too. Two more times. 2 and 1. Knees down, press back, child's pose. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing in. And out. Exhale, roll yourself up onto knees if that feels comfortable. Keep breathing deeply. Be so proud of yourself for showing up for that challenging Pilates class, focusing all on lower body. If you're really wanting to work lower body strength, give it 2 or 3 minutes and hit this class again. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.